So the shipping container guy is getting ready to drop it off. He's bringing the third shipping container. So this is super awesome. We are going to be able to start moving over the shipping container contents from the first container and actually get it on the property. So this is just another step in the right direction. Winning, winning, and more winning. It is a chilly gray day today, and I am just nestling by the fire. Joe is out there organizing, cleaning, getting ready for the shipping container delivery. This is awesome because this is giving us an opportunity to get more done. Joe is gonna go out there and be able to direct where it's going, and that's huge. I think we're gonna try to position it so that it blocks a little bit of that north wind onto the tiny house. He said he wanted to actually face it with the container doors facing the west so that when the sun sets, you get a longer duration of being able to see without using any electricity. The things that you think about when you're off grid. Super awesome. Man, he's just bringing it back like a champ too. All right, I'm gonna let you handle it.
How close you guys want it to the house?
Where's Joe?
I'm right here.
He was back there. Oh, there you are.
Sorry, yeah, I was looking.
How close you want it to the house?
I was wondering if a little far back. Maybe I wonder if you can do it where it's almost lined up with this one, kind of.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
This one's kind of got a little tilt here, though. Maybe, you know what? This might be a flatter spot.
Well, it just depends how far back you want to go, because it does kind of level out a little bit more right here.
Yeah. So let's drop it right here.
Okay.
Bam. That looks good.
All right.
We're gonna end up moving them, I think. You know, I got to get Ed out here again. I'm gonna get a couple pads, but for now, that'll work. Now it's not a sign.
You about to burn yourself out of there yet?
No.
I see the windows open, so I
she likes to keep it hot. Yeah, I'm always
one thing about a wood stove, man.
Yeah. No, yeah, it works great. That's for sure.
Keith is a super nice guy. He's out there talking about our wood stove cooking us out of here. It is a tiny space, but the wood stove has kept me, a Phoenician, a lizard on a rock, really warm. I've been grateful for it. Super excited. This is another shipping container. Super thankful. It's always so scary, like it's on a hill, it's going down.
Different, tell me. It's not a big deal.
Yeah, maybe bring it back this way. That's what I thought too. We'll bring it back your way.
Okay.
Maybe to where the tires are at now. Maybe right here, the back end.
Okay. Yeah, why don't you just stop me? I'll pull ahead.
All right, sounds good. That's good there.
That work? awesome.
This one opened easy. Looks like it's got a fresh coat of paint. It smells like a shipping container.